What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today, are you straight? I don't think you are. You look straight to me. Okay, today we're going to clean up outside, take back the garden. Hold on. Better. So yeah, that's basically all we're gonna do is take back the garden. We've got some fall veggies here that we need to plant, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, I think that's gonna be what we do. We also need to clean up our little patio out here because it's a mess. I'll show you guys. It's embarrassing, but we're gonna make it look so cute for fall, and I think that's it. So let's get it done because there's a lot. It's just a giant mess. It's embarrassing, but I'll show you. So you can see all of this. It's just disgusting. Like this. Are you kidding? Yeah, as you can tell, I haven't been out here for a while. But we're gonna change that today. Here's Johnny's butt. So stay tuned for that. I am procrastinating, as you can tell. I don't want to do it. It's gotta be done. So I'm gonna switch you up. We're gonna do a time lapse and we're gonna clean this place up. Hope you enjoy. Okay, this is where we ended up. It's not fully done, but much better than it was. So you can actually sit down now. You can actually see the floor. Yeah, so now we're gonna plant in these guys. Oh my gosh, there's a little tiny bug. Do you see him? What is that? You know what that is, let me know. Anyways, we're gonna plant those, all of these little guys, except for the shallots. These guys are gonna go, I think, in ground, but we'll see. We might put those in a pot. Okay, so normally what I would do is I would take some of the old soil out and replenish it with some new soil so it has new nutrients and it can actually grow instead of just trying to grow in what the previous plant grew in and absorbed all of the nutrients of. So instead, what I'm going to do is add some fertilizer. So this is just like an all-purpose fertilizer. It's equal NPK, which is nitrogen, phosphorus, and Okay, so then after that, we're gonna add some blood meal, which is supposed to add even more nitrogen. And then we're gonna add some worm castings, which is even more nitrogen, but that's just some organic fertilizer, and I just need to use some of this stuff up also, so I figured it'd be better than wasting some fresh soil that we could use later on. So yeah, first thing we're going to plant is this broccoli. It's just labeled as broccoli premier pack, so I'm not exactly sure what kind of broccoli it is, but that's what we have. Alright, let's get to planting, shall we? So here's our broccoli planted. Now we're gonna do the lettuce and shallots.
little tower. It's really sunny right now, but I hope you can still see everything really good. Just some butter crunch lettuce and some red freckles romaine. And our premier broccoli, whatever that is. Cute. And we've got some tomatoes down here ready to harvest. We need to pick those. And I also want to pick some of this mint and dry it for tea. So we might do that. We might save that for another day. But we do need to finish planting. We do need to finish planting out these shallots. So let's separate these guys so we can plant them out.